This year at the largest international defense technology exhibition IDX 2025 in Abu Dhabi, the latest development by the Chinese company VUAV was presented, the EV390, also known as the Flashman EV390. This innovative vertical takeoff and landing VTOL drone promises to revolutionize the use of UAVs in various sectors, thanks to its unique design and functional capabilities. The EV390 is not just another drone. It is a high-tech device capable of long flights and easily adaptable to various tasks. Its modular design allows the drone to be quickly disassembled and reassembled, ensuring easy transport and storage. The compact size and thoughtful transport in two cases make the EV390 an ideal choice for operational missions in confined spaces. Its fuselage, made from carbon fiber and fiberglass, is strong and lightweight. With a wingspan of 3,914 mm and a height of 750 mm, it can operate efficiently under different weather conditions and in challenging landscapes. The drone is equipped with lithium-ion batteries that provide up to 3.5 hours of flight without payload, making it perfect for extended missions. With a maximum payload capacity of 10 kilograms, it is suitable for a variety of equipment, from cameras to LiDAR sensors for mapping and surveillance. The batteries charge quickly using a device that allows simultaneous charging of two batteries, improving operational efficiency. With a top speed of 130 km per hour and the ability to ascend to heights of up to 4,500 meters, the EV390 boasts high-performance flight capabilities, making it a versatile tool for both civilian and military applications. The EV390 is equipped with advanced automated functions such as an open-source autopilot, autonomous flight using 3D coordinates, target tracking, and emergency return. It can also perform tasks like circular flight around a fixed point or the follow me function, which allows the drone to follow a moving object or travel along a predefined route. The drone is easily controlled via the VTX-30 ground station, which provides long-range data and video transmission. The system supports controllers and sensors like the VUAV V7 Pro, ensuring precise and reliable flights. The electric vertical takeoff and landing EVTOL drone sector is rapidly growing in China due to government support and economic initiatives. In the coming years, China plans to deploy up to 100,000 such devices for air taxis and cargo transport. This makes Chinese developments attractive not only for the domestic market but also for countries seeking budget-friendly and efficient solutions for transport and emergency services. Fully electric UAVs like the EV390 significantly reduce maintenance and operational costs compared to traditional aircraft with internal combustion engines. The use of electric propulsion also minimizes noise, making these devices ideal for use in densely populated areas. Thus, the EV390 not only confirms the leadership of Chinese manufacturers in the drone industry but also opens new horizons for UAV applications in various fields, from monitoring and mapping to air logistics and rescue operations.